Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Well, what we're looking at here are a couple of the first leaked photos that have been popping up for the Leatherman Curl and the Leatherman Bond. Now, the Leatherman Bond looks to be kind of a downgraded rebar, if you will, but it does appear that all of the interior tools will be non-locking. It's also going to go back to a plier head that does not have replaceable wire cutters or hard wire cutters. But the positive is that it does appear that it's going to have provisions to put a pocket clip, which is a plus for this tool. So I kind of see this one maybe as something for the European market, where it's going to get in there to to get around their knife laws, because with a non-locking blade, and then I do believe it is going to be under the 3-inch size. I think is what most people have told me is what the requirements are for to get around the knife laws in Europe. Now, the Leatherman Curl is going to be kind of based off the Leatherman Wave platform. It is difficult to tell from this photo, but whether or not the saw, or excuse me, the file and the knife blade that we're looking at here are going to be liner locked. I would assume that they would be, because I don't see any other slip lock mechanism, and they do appear to have the same style of framing of the Wave. So I'm just gonna go on the theory that both of those are going to be liner locked. And then this is also going to get rid of one layer of tools, wherein you're not going to have the saw or the serrated blade on this tool either. Now, what this one does over the Wave, though, is that this one is going to come with an awl. So it's going to have the other interior tools are going to be similar to what you have in the Wave. It does also appear that all these tools are going to be slip jointed as well, and not have a lock mechanism to lock them in place. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on the leaked photos of the Leatherman Curl and the Leatherman Bond, to see where you guys think these fall in at the market at. Frankly, I think I'm a little bit disappointed. I was kind of expecting something a little bit different. Now, from the specs that I saw on these, and you can view these for yourselves at leatherman.cz is where these photos were found. So, they look to me, according to the specs, that they're going to be in that 4-inch range. So they're going to be 10 centimeters is what it calls it out as, which is 3.93 inches, I believe, is what I think that's what it was. But that means that they're going to be pretty much the same size as the rebar and the Wave. I was kind of expecting to get a 3.5-inch tool on these new ones, because a lot of the rumors were that these were going to be kind of replacements for the Juice line, but that doesn't appear to be the case for me. Well, at any rate, I'd love to hear what you guys think about these leaked photos of these two new tools, the Leatherman Bond and the Leatherman Curl. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one.